There is a homeopathic remedy that I want to tell you about that can be very helpful for you and your family during the pandemic or the triple-demic that we're experiencing right now. That homeopathic remedy is Bryonia alba. Now, alba is known as the grouchy bear remedy because when people need this remedy, they often feel extremely irritable and do not want to be disturbed. They may refuse to answer questions and even turn their backs to you in bed when you try to find out how they're doing. In general, they just feel grouchy and like they just want to be left alone. So that's the first important of these 5 points that we're going to go over. The next point is that they are worse from any kind of motion. This includes even just moving the eyes. When they have a headache, they may not want to move their head or any part of their body. In fact, Bryonia is also an important remedy in injuries, especially bone fractures, because that feeling of guarding and not wanting to move that you get with a bone fracture is also addressed by Bryonia. But in this case, when we're talking about the triple-demic, we're talking about remedies for flu and other viral infections. So this sense of just not wanting to move. Also, Bryonia flus often come on more slowly than some other remedies, such as aconite and belladonna. In that case, it is similar to gelsemium, which I recently made a little video about. So, flu that is coming on very, very slowly may indicate Bryonia as well. When someone is in a Bryonia state, they feel better from pressing the part that hurts. So if there is a headache, often the headaches with Bryonia are left-sided and may start over the left eye and then move to the rest of the head. But pressure is really indicated if they want to press the painful part. And also with cough, if they have a painful cough, which we'll be speaking about in a moment, then they want to lie on that painful side or hold their chest when they are coughing because the pressure or lying on the painful side helps it feel better. Another keynote of Bryonia is that the person may be very, very thirsty for large quantities of water, but they may not want to drink it in small sips the way they might with the remedy arsenicum. They want to drink a whole lot of water and do it infrequently. But overall, they feel very dry, including they may be kind of constipated, blocked up. Is much more common than diarrhea with Bryonia because of the dryness. And finally, they have this very painful cough that may come with the flu or the respiratory infection. They feel like they need to hold their chest. Their chest is so painful. And so keeping that pressure or keeping the chest from moving is what really helps the Bryonia patient. So this is a remedy that you can find easily in health food stores. You can use it in a 30C, and it can do remarkable work in helping people who are suffering from these kinds of symptoms. So that's what you need to know about Bryonia, the 5 main symptoms that can indicate Bryonia. If you'd like to learn more about homeopathy and our training program, please go to our website, homeopathytraining.org. And thanks for joining us.